Traditionally, these would have cost several hundred crowns. This is about 20 crowns or $2 to $3. It's a ball bearing that slides along a polished rod with a very low coefficient of friction because of the ball races. Now I'm interested in how are the ball races and the ball tracks made in this, because it's so cheap. So I'm going to take this apart and show you everything inside it. First I need to get this locking ring off. It turns out it's a plastic covered metal locking ring. So if you just bend in the right spot, it comes off. Then you can push the whole ball carrier out. This will cause a mess of balls everywhere, but that's fine. It turns out the ball carrier is made from plastic, so these aren't going to be very durable. The ball races, as you can see in this close-up, are milled into the side of the case. So is the cutout for the ball return, so the balls don't scrape on the case on the way back. The balls would roll between the rod and the shallow cutout in the case and return on the other side of the track along the deep cutout in the case. So now that we've seen how these work inside, all we need to do is put it back together. And that's how one of these linear bearings work.